Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today will be my first unboxing video. I'll be unboxing the Nike Dual Strike. So it has the pullback cock. And look, if you flick this up, when it's up, it's the Elite bullets. When it's down, it shoots the Mega bullets, which I don't think you can see there. But, so yeah, let's get right into the unboxing. So, I have these scissors here that probably, oh, yes, they will get it. Alrighty, sorry for the horrible camera, because I'm doing it with my left hand, but I'm righty. So I usually record everything with my right hand. There we go. Oh, now we have to do the one on the handle, and then it's open. Wow. That was easier than most other Nerf guns. I'll be right back when I get it open. So yeah. Alright guys, so I got it open out of the box. So, the reason that I didn't open these bullets is I think I can probably do it without pausing it. No, I'm gonna have to pause it. I'm super sorry. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm done. That was hard. So, let me load it up. So here's the gun. One, two. I'm starting with the Mega bullets. 1, 2, and 3. Now the Elites. 4, 5, 6. Alrighty. So there's the unboxing. I'm sorry that it was kind of boring, but I hope you liked it. If you did, click the like button and subscribe if you are new, which most of you are, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.